Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is Abhishek and you're watching Clean Diet Lifestyle. So today we're going to prepare a paste from pudina and using some other leafy vegetables. So this is very easy to prepare, very healthy, and this you can preserve it in your refrigerator and you can make use of it. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the preparation. Before the preparation, I want to tell you some benefits of pudina. So if you have any pimples, it reduces the pimples, and if you have got any scars from the acne in the past, so it lightens those scars also, and it improves the immune system, and it improves the digestions also, and it promotes the weight loss also. So having said that, this has many benefits. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start the video. Firstly, take some handful amount of pudina, green chilies and fresh corianders. Make sure you wash it thoroughly before using it. Heat up the pan and fry the green chilies in little bit of oil. Next, drop all the pudina and coriander and all the fried chilies into the jar. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, dry cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, some salt, turmeric, and finally garam masala with 1 spoon of oil. Start grinding this and take it to your desired consistency. And now the pudina paste is ready. You can store this in a plastic container and place this in your refrigerator to use this further. So this is it guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching, see ya. Please subscribe to my channel and press on bell icon to never miss a video from Clean Diet Lifestyle.